Hi, it's Ian from Planes TV here at the end of a very busy Battle of Britain anniversary air show here at Duxford. We've had a big team here, really anxious to do a very good job of what's been a very good air show. Two major highlights being the Battle of Britain memorial flight, flying 6 of their fighters in formation with the Red Arrows. The display that we're all going to be talking about for years though was that of the 17 Spitfires, or the 15 Spitfires, 2 Seafires, who all flew in formation before breaking off into tail chases. We had onboard cameras with a few of those aircraft, and I know that sequence is going to be a very, very special one on the DVD and Blu-ray, which are available to pre-order from planestv.com. It was of course an action-packed afternoon of flying, so to give you an idea of what we saw, here are 60 seconds of the highlights.